Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Position the splitter on a level pad and engage the parking brake or chalk wheels. Check hydraulic fluid and engine oil, and confirm fuel is at safe levels. Once done, inspect hoses and control levers for tight fittings. Make sure your work area is clear of tripping hazards and bystanders are kept beyond 2 meters. You should be wearing gloves, eye protection, and steel-toe boots before you pull the starter or switch on the electric model. You now operate the controls. With the engine or motor running, grasp the two-handed control and bring the ram slowly to the log. Position the log so the flat end bears evenly against the wedge. This prevents pinching. Apply steady pressure, don't jam, so the ram advances smoothly through the grain. If the log rocks or binds, retract slightly, reposition, and try again. For long or gnarly pieces, split into shorter sections to reduce strain on the ram and avoid stalls or kickback. You finish by retracting the ram and removing split wood using a log grabber or proper gloves. Don't put hands near the wedge. Once the job is done, power down and follow the manual to relieve hydraulic pressure before any service. If the splitter loses power or cycles slowly, check hydraulic fluid level and filter, inspect belts and connections, and look for air in the system. Bleed per instructions. If noise or leaks persist, stop using the machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.